Don't move. Because sometimes you don't move in pictures.
Perfect.
Cool. Okay. Time to open present. Is it time to open present?
I think. Are we ready, Dad?
Okay.
Are we ready, everybody?
We're ready.
Yeah. What is it? What is it? What is it? Card. Oh, the card in the house. It's a birthday gift.
Yay.
Now open that one. Just wait.
Did it.
It's taking so long. Now, open it. You can open the present now. I was just trying to get mine. I was just trying to get another one. I never guessed. A maze by me. I never maze. I get a maze like Reagan.
Yep.
Who gave me this?
Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandpa, did you just give me this?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you say?
That's in this one.
Hold
No,
on.
I'm going to open this one. Then I'm going to open all of the animals' mine. Whoa. I don't know what that one's going to be. I'll take that picture. Oh my god! What is this? Who gave me this? Raise your hand.
It's a spiral art set.
It's for art set? No. Now I'm going to open this one. I don't know what it is. Lego! Like Lego for me?
Weston over here or something.
A Lego for me? No, Legos for
From
me.
you.
But I have Legos. 2 Legos? 2 Legos. A Wii dancing game! Another Wii dancing game?
Just dance.
Yeah, you made me.
Awesome.
I didn't. Who gave me that?
Your brother did.
Did you guys give me this?
Yeah.
Thanks, you guys. Wow. It's good to see. Another
Weston, sit down. Weston.
a game, an Xbox Power Ranger game.
Isn't that
I
cool?
really want to play that.
That's really cool, huh?
Actually, it's for
So
me to play
fast.
with. It's my birthday today. Yeah, but can it be plate? Maybe it's that one. You
Quick.
can open. Maybe it's this one. Oh, yeah. You got to open your.
Is this like a...
Whoa! What is that game? What is this? What is this called?
It's a Power Ranger game.
It's
a
Poppin'.
It's a
Poppin'
board game.
Rage.
What is
It's like Sorry or Trouble.
Who's this?
But for Power
Who did
Rangers.
this?
The
I
Vidal.
got it.
There's your brothers.
I get only 2. I got it. I get it. I just get it. Oh.
Yeah. Whatever you say.
What? It's a pillow.
It's a blanket. Wow.
Power
Comforter.
Ranger blanket.
It's a new comforter. Awesome. I bet you that's warm. That'll keep you warm.
Now this
Is that Sonic? That's Power Rangers.
Oh my gosh! Everybody's the best. I gave you that.
Oh.
I just gave you
That was Weston.
I gave you that.
Weston helped out with that one. You thought you would like it.
I love it.
Aw.
I can't believe it. That's it.
Thank you. Oops.
Whippy.
Such a sweet boy, Elden.
That's awesome.
Great.
Good job.
He thinks you got that present. He thinks you got all those presents.
Awesome.
And these
Pretty
basic
cool.
games look the same. Yeah. And guess what? They have the same front. Yeah. And the same back.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you guys can do puzzles next to each
And it
other.
also has the same stuff. That's right, Gens. That's completely clear. Yeah. And guess what? At the
Completely
bottom
clear.
side, I look at over here. This
Oh,
is
from
the
the top?
same first age. What, Elden? This is the same.
Well, we're gonna open it later. We'll let Elden open it.
Wow. Wow.
Pop.
This is the best. I think this. Let me ever. Oh, okay. I wish we could play this game right now. It's locked. Do we have the disc in here?
There is a disc in there. We can't play because we gotta go to your Christmas program in a little
Christmas
bit.
program.
Yeah, but it's dark already.
I think we're gonna do some cake here in a minute.
I can't open this.
Or
Why don't you wait for Mom or Dad to
Thanks.
help you with that?
Is that
okay?
called
It's
fish?
a game.
Tag the hat. I'll hold it. Whoop. Whoop. Is this Aggie?
Happy birthday!
happy birthday, Eldon.
Last time it was my birthday, but now it's not. We got you that. Yeah, and guess what? Well, on your birthday, you got this. Yeah, but now you can play the maze game. Now we can both play the maze game. I think the game is the 3-player game. And we can play this game. It is the big guys.
Not the big guys.
Gosh, you're
You got excited.
Big guys don't get to play.
Not the big guys. Must be talking about you and somebody else, because I'm not the big guy.
How do we open this so what Eldon plays this tonight? Tomorrow. I'm going to play this game tomorrow.
That sounds like a great idea.
All right, guys.
What?
I don't know, I just feel like saying that.
And this. There's lots of Legos. What time is it?
Time to eat cake.
What?
Time to eat cake.
Well,